Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Monday, January 9th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, we're going to see the futures down about $3.25 to 22.68 and a quarter per contract. So futures ticking down on this Monday morning. Again, it's not a big downtick by any means, but nonetheless, futures are a bit lower. So we'll see how this market plays out. We do have bond yields falling. We have lots of news coming out. Just a lot of different things, but really no huge or big stock moving markets here, but we do have one out here. We're going to take a look at WOOF, WOOF. This is VCA. They make animal care products, so basically veterinarian products, and this is being bought out by Mars. So the stock on Friday closed at $70.77, now trading at $90.97. So great move there. If you own it, take it off the table or trail your stop loss. There's not much we could do with this one. You do not want to be a buyer of this takeover. But again, Mars is buying out VCA for $7.7 billion, I believe. So either way, great takeover there. If you own it, congratulations. If you don't own it, not much we could do with it. Now on the other side, looks like we have some stocks in the news. Looks like United Health. UNH is the ticker symbol there. They are acquiring a company, so this stock is ticking down a little bit. Looks like they're acquiring SCAI. Let's take a look at that. And you'll see this is catching a decent little uptick as well. Closed at $49, now trading at $56. Not much you could do with this. If you own it, congratulations. If you own United Health, you're under a little bit of pressure this morning. Again, United Health gets down to around 150. I'd be a buyer of it all day. So keep an eye on that, and we'll see how that plays out. But again, United Health right now trading at 161.35, closed at 162.41. So it's not really reflecting a big downtick by any stretch. Let's take a look at Coca-Cola today. They were downgraded, I believe, by Goldman Sachs. Stock right now trading at $41.34, closed at $41.74. This is not a big downtick. I just don't see a whole lot of upside for Coke just yet. Still there's a lot of resistance around the $42 level. Today the stock being downgraded a little bit. Stock got down to around $39.75 by some chance. I like the stock there. I think that's still a good play, and considering they pay a dividend and everything else, you should be fine around that level. Let's take a look at American Express, AXP. I believe this was upgraded today. Stock trading at $76.80, closed at $75.43. This is getting a good little bid. Stock's been in an uptrend now for a little while, so that should continue. A lot of resistance still around $78 if it does trade higher from here. Let's take a look at Global Payments. GPN is the ticker symbol here. It looks like they reported earnings this morning. Stock is trading at $78.40. It closed at $74.45. So this is having a good little pop. Again, a little bit overbought now on the daily chart. So if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, there's not a lot we're going to do with it here, but we're going to keep it on the radar once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room. So we'll see how that plays out today. Looks like Five Below, FIVE, is trading down today. This closed at $39.72. Looks like they issued downside guidance. Stock right now trading at $37.50. The only level that would interest me would be around $35.50. So a little bit lower to go there, but keep F5 or Five Below, keep Five Below on the radar today. We'll see how that plays out. Again, it gets down to around that $35 area. Should be pretty good support. Also, by some chance, it sells even harder. $32 is a very, very good level as well. All right, let's switch gears here. We're going to go over to the gold market today. Gold futures trading up 7.5 points. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, that right now is trading at around 112.50, closed at 111.75. So decent little uptick, reflecting the $7.50 move in spot. And gold continues to hold up pretty well on the charts as of late. So we'll see how that plays out. You're also getting a pretty good move in the gold mining sector. GDX today trading at 22.87. This sold off, I believe, on Friday. recapturing a lot of those losses today. And if you take a look at stocks like Newmont Mining, GOLD, which is Rand Gold, they're all trading just a slight bit higher today. So again, we'll see how this all plays out once the opening bell rings, but right now gold looks pretty strong. Crude oil, on the other hand, down this morning, down by about $1.09 on spot, trading at around 52.90 for crude oil. If you take a look at the USO this morning, you'll see that is trading lower at around 11.52 a share, closed at 11.68. Again, oil continues to remain very, very volatile, but nonetheless, it has not broken significant downside ranges, but it did have a little bit of a bearish pattern going into the weekend. So we'll see how crude oil finishes out the day. Again, we'll be looking at this and more once the opening bell rings today. And again, if you want to trade right alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room, and you'll see everything that we are doing there. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts. Take care now.